Alright guys, here we are. Gonna hit another little creek that we know about, and we're gonna really give it a shot. We may even cross the creek up to the big pool. But the days turned out really nice. It was looking pretty sketchy, but I mean, it's still not perfect, but it's definitely sunny, and we're getting more sun than clouds, so that's good news. But anyway, we're here guys, and wow, that water looks really clear, really nice.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Looks a little deeper than the last time we were here.
Yeah, it's a little bit higher than last time, not by much though.
Oh wow.
Not by much. That is so cool. Just so awesome. Love this place. So beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But what we're going to do is they're going to make some casts at a distance so we don't spook the fish when we first get in here. So we're almost at the pool. Go up and over this little trail here. My camera's kind of getting bright and then dark all of a sudden because of the amount of sunlight we got going on here right now. But here we are guys. We're going to make our cast from here.
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.
Dean's finally got a fish here. Woohoo! It looks like a good size one. Oh yeah, look at this. Here, let me get the net for you. I want to try to film it at water level. Look at that fish. I don't even know if you can see it on camera. It's shiny so much. Here, come here, buddy. There we go. There you go. Dean's got the net now. Nice little fish. Put my rod down so I can film properly. Keep him in the water. Hands are wet. Oh wow.
He is still on it.
Oh, barely hooked too, by the look of it. No.
Quarter of the mouth though. If you just relax.
Need the pliers?
No, we choked it down now.
Here, I'll get the pliers. We'll see you in a minute, folks. Here we go. We got the hook out. Oh, got the net ready. He's not hitting the rocks or nothing. He's safe.
He's being a pain in the bum is what he's being. Come on, buddy. Oh boy, come on. That's it. Relax. No, relax. Okay.
Nice one for here.
Beautiful little rainbow.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that, eh?
Beautiful. Good shot. I got a good one.
Okay.
Nice.
Are we ready?
Yeah. I already got the stills and stuff, so watch him swim away in clear water.
There you go.
See you later, buds. He's
so
already gone.
Cool. Look at that. You can see him still going up there.
Yeah.
That is
all right.
Cool.
See you on the next fish, folks. Awesome. Just a beautiful day here. The water's crystal clear. Didn't even see that fish. But there's more to be caught. We'll see you on the next one.
Yeehaw.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Dean's got another surprising fish here. Absolutely.
I was getting little taps, and I set the hook. Whoop. And this little booger.
He's got pretty little patterns.
He does. Very nice little patterns on him.
Not going to take a still of this guy, though.
Very cute.
But,
come on, curl the other way.
Yeah. Like Captain Dave always says, yeah. You know, you don't want him to.
And off he goes.
There you go. See you later, buddy. Alright, he's still sitting there. Alright, we'll see you on the next fish.
Okay guys, we've crossed the creek. Ben's on his way over. I'm over to here on this side, so we're working our way up to the big pool, which is up this way. You see that beautiful creek? Absolutely gorgeous. There's a beautiful pool at the top. That's where we're headed. Anyway guys, we've got one trout, one sculpin, and we've been getting lots of bites, so it's interesting. We wanted to come up to the big pool and give it a good shot and see what we can catch today. We'll catch you soon. Hey guys, I've hooked up. Hold on a second here. See if we can film this. Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys can see this. Oh, where is he? Oh, there he is. Woohoo! Oh yeah. What a fish. It's a beauty. Yeah. Oh, that's just thrilling. Okay guys, hold on a second. I'm going to try to net this. There we go. Got him in the net, guys. Yee-hoo! Okay guys. First cast here. And I got a beautiful fish. I'm going to get him on this side. Might be easier. This is going to be really bumpy. Sorry guys. Okay. I wish Ben was here. Okay, hold on a second here. Get this back in here. See if we can film this. Big blasted thing. Okay, hold on. Hi guys, look at this beautiful cutty I just caught. Absolutely gorgeous. Totally cool. Maybe Ben can take a still for me. He just got here, so.
Nice fish.
Absolutely, look at that. Gorgeous little cutty.
Just gonna take a still here?
Cutty, yeah. There
Here's the release. He's off. See you later, buddy.
Stay close. Fish.
Took me a little longer than I wanted to get across, but
okay.
See you soon, folks. He's got another fish here, folks. Looks like a nice one. Here I got the net.
He's not a nice one, just a wee one, but
a wee one, but alrighty.
Keep him just the same. I'll get him over the hook. Now he's going nuts.
Fairly hooked this one. There we go. Nice little fish.
Absolutely. Looks like a rainbow this time, yeah?
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, there you go. Sorry. He went fast.
He's gone. See you soon, folks. It's just a beautiful place here. We love coming here. We want to get a big fish out of here. We'll see you on the next one. Very next cast here, folks. Dean's got another one. I'm gonna get down for this one and net him. Here we go. I got him in the net. I'm gonna bring him over this way. There we go. Don't fall in, Dean. Nice.
Beautiful. Oh no, he's not. He's right here in the corner of the mouth. The worm's up the line. Okay.
There we go.
Oh, oh, oh.
Whoa, he's a wiggly feller.
Right back in the net anyway.
Nice.
Oh, come on, you. You slimy little booger.
Yeah. Nice little fish.
Beautiful little trout. Up.
Here we go, folks.
Beautiful little rainbow. Off he goes.
See you later, buds. Dean's catching all the fish here, folks. So it's my turn. I gotta catch one. We'll see you soon. Dean's hooked into another one here, folks. He's just not the sharing type today. He doesn't want to share. He's catching all the fish. Here. Catching all the fish. I guess I'm the camera guy for the day. I don't know if you can hear me, folks. It's really loud down here. Beautiful waterfall. Look at that. Oh, another one.
Another little rainbow.
Nice.
Cool.
There he goes, folks.
Right along the bottom.
Right along the bottom. He's off.
Look at that. In amongst the rocks.
We were trying to take a still there and he flopped out of Dean's hand into the water. So, we'll see you on the next fish. Hopefully it'll be mine.
Well guys, we've been here for about an hour and 20 minutes. We've caught 4 fish, 4 or 5, something like that. Not bad. But as you can see, this is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning place. The water is crystal clear. It is just absolutely stunning. And there's lots of little fish in here. We've seen a couple of larger ones. But generally it is getting cold, and I think we're going to be moving on here in a little bit. But Ben hasn't gotten any luck. Ben's over here eating chicken. I think that's why he's got bad luck.
Yeah, right.
And yeah, this is just a little piece of paradise right here. And the fishing is okay. I wouldn't call it great, but it's definitely okay. I mean, it's surprising considering. But today we've been using bottom rigs. I'm going to step back here because it's getting dangerous. We've been using bottom rigs and bobbers. And Ben was using spinners earlier. But the only thing they seem to be taking is the bottom rigs right now. And I've gotten snagged up 3 times, and my rule of thumb is you get snagged 3 times or more, it's time to stop. So the pen's still going, and we'll probably be out of here in a little while, but I'm going to give you a little turn around and have a look downstream here. You can see this is just absolutely stunning. Just a little pocket in here with this pool. Oh, that sun is so bright on the camera. But there we go. Absolutely gorgeous, eh guys? This place is probably one of the prettiest places that we've come to since we started doing the show. So far we've found rainbow trout, cutthroat trout, and what look to be brook trout, but they could be dolly. We're not sure. But once we catch another one, we'll try to get an identification on the app. But until then, we'll catch you on the next one, guys. There's the cast, guys. Way off in that corner over there. Pretty darn good cast, actually. You know, he's drifting the worm right along the shoreline there. I think that we're probably out of here after this cast or the next one. But yeah, it's been a fun day. Even though we didn't get a lot of fish, we've been here now probably an hour and 40 minutes. And we only got a few fish, 5 fish. I mean, that's still, I mean, on any day, that's not bad. So, hopefully Ben will get another bite before we end up getting out of here. But until then, guys, we'll catch you soon. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to take you with me as I go through this. It's pretty tough to walk through. Okay, we're up and over. Slowly work our way across. Holy smokes. My feet are frozen. This water is so cold, it's literally to the point of burning. I've never experienced water this well. Actually, no, I did once before in Prince George. But this is the hard part, guys. Let's see what I can do here. Get myself across this nasty thing. Holy smokes, that was tough. Okay, I'm over until I have to get to the hard part, which is over there. There's the water over here. Oh, my feet. Oh, they're so cold. Okay, guys, I will catch you on the other side, and we'll film them coming down. Anyway, On the Hooks Adventures, always interesting to me. Hey guys, Ben decided to stop before he came across to do some casting from that side. That was so cold, my feet are frozen solid. Oh. You talked me into this, you evil bugger. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's so cold.
It's a painful cold, ain't it?
It is. I didn't realize just how cold it was the first time until coming across again. Oh. Anyway, guys, catch you when Ben comes across. So Ben's having a hard time finding the way he wants to come across because he doesn't want to get wet, eh? That's too funny. And now he's going to have no choice but to take off his shoes and get in the water. Anyway, guys, we'll get back in this side over here so we can watch him come across. Oh, you dainty W. It's cold, I know. Ben has dainty little feet, so he'll be lucky if he gets across the river. And it's so cold. It is so cold. Smaller steps. Oh. Oh crap, you're kidding me. Did it go in the water?
No, almost.
Holy crap, you're lucky. And he's across, guys. Well, holy crap. That was a mission and a half for Ben.
I almost fell.
Oh crap. But anyway, guys, we're going to end the video here. We've got, I think we got 5 fish altogether. And, yeah, I got the 1 trout here. I got the sculpin here. And then I got 3 up there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. I had a sculpin.
Oh.
I almost landed them. But that is painful cold.
Painful cold. Absolutely.
Oh.
We won't be doing that again.
Anytime soon.
Anytime soon. That is, we'll wait till the water warms up a bit. That's just absolutely nasty.
It's like, you know.
Look at how red Ben's legs are. That's hilarious.
Burning feeling.
It is. It's so cold. It's burning.
Not cold, like fire.
Yep. Absolutely.
And the worst part is I gotta dip my feet in again to wash them off.
I would just walk back to the truck like that.
Oh.
But then that's me because I don't have dainty feet.
Oh.
So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video and we'll catch you on the next one.